Hi kids, good morning. How are you all? I hope all are well and safe at home. Welcome to our today's class. Today's topic, Advent of the Europeans. In the previous session, we learned about sources of modern India. Now we are going to continue the session, Advent of the Europeans. To understand the Portuguese trade interest in India, to understand the impact of Portuguese and Dutch presence in India, to know the colonial settlement of Denmark, to know the arrival and settlement of English and French East India Companies. Synopsis. Introduction. Portugal, Vasco da Gama, Francisco de Almeida, Alfonso de Albuquerque, Nino de Cunha, Dutch, the British, the Danish, French. Conclusion. After the capture of Constantinople by the Turks in 1453, the land route between India and Europe was closed. It became imperative on the part of the European nations to discover new sea routes to the east. In this map, we can see the Europeans came to India in new sea route discovered by Vasco da Gama. Amongst the entire European nations, Portugal was the foremost to make a dynamic attempt to discover a sea route to India. Prince Henry of Portugal, who is known as the navigator, Bartolomeu Dias, a Portuguese sailor, reached the southernmost point of Africa in 1487. Vasco da Gama in 1498 he reached Calicut. He was shortly reached by King Zamori. On this arrival at Calicut, there arose conflicts between the Portuguese and King Zamori. Vasco da Gama came to India for the second time in 1501, established trading center at Kannur and factories at Calicut and Kochi. The third voyage of Vasco da Gama was in 1524. He soon fell ill and in December 1524 he died in Kochi. Francisco de Almeida. Almeida was the first governor for the Portuguese possessions in India in 1505. He had the aim of developing the naval power of the Portuguese in India. His policy was known as the Blue Water Policy. Almeida defeated the combined Muslim fleet in a naval battle near Jew, and by the year 1509, Portuguese claimed the naval supremacy in Asia. The real founder of the Portuguese power in India was the Alfonso de Albuquerque. He captured Goa from the Sultan of Bhojpur in November 1510. He maintained friendly relations with Vijayanagar Empire. See about Nino de Cunha. Governor Nino de Cunha moved capital from Cochin to Goa in 1530. In 1534, he acquired basin from Bahadur Shah of Gujarat. The Portuguese brought the cultivation of tobacco to India. The printing press was set up by the Portuguese at Goa in 1556. In 17th century, the Portuguese power began to decline the Dutch, and by 1739, the Portuguese pockets became confined to Goa, Jew and Jam. Next session will be continued shortly. It's time for question. How did the Portuguese establish their trading centers in India? Submit your homework on time. Thank you.